evening. My name is Temitope Aruno Samuel, and the year has been good so far, but it's about to get better. So the thing is, CCC Worldwide is having their Juvenile Harvest this year. So
Are you running the awareness about Juvenile Harvest?
yes. So what's happening?
Aren't you older than us?
Oh my dear. But yes, I've looked for people to do it, but you guys can't do it. So don't worry. Thank you very much. God bless you.
We want to try!
You can't do it.
No! We want to try!
Come on. Show the video. They are good. Okay.
Hallelujah, mommy and daddy, brother and sister, family and friends.
It's that time of the year again, but it all started 1972. The Juvenile Harvest was approved by our founder, Reverend Edwin Oshofa.
Really, this makes it the 52nd year of celebration.
Wow, that's why we at Ikorodu too are inviting you to our Juvenile Harvest. Come on, come on.
Come on.